Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make table border rounded in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make table border rounded. Firstly, go to a blank page. Now we want to make rounded table border. Select this table tool and draw the table to these pages, and we can see the border is rectangle shape. Now we want to make this border rounded. Firstly, click inside the table and enable the tables option. Then we can see here many options. Now I select this fill and choose fill color. Firstly, select the whole cell of this table and applying the color. Then select the outline. Then go back the tools option and select the shapes drop down menu and choose the rounded rectangle and draw the rectangle over the table. Then go to the layer section and make this layer down the table and resize the table. Select the move tool and select this table and resize it. Then select this two layer, press shift on our keyboard, then click right button on our mouse and make it group. Then click outside of the page. Now we can see we make the table rounded corner very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.